Alright, cooking vegan ravioli filled with pistachio cashews from Trader Joe's. Super easy. Yum. You hit it with olive oil. Let it fry. And now, boil it. You can add fresh garlic, but this time I ran out. But the solution, crunchy garlic from Japan. Bang. Super easy. Kumato tomatoes. They have to be sweet, right? Little chunky pieces, not super diced. Onion. Some mushrooms. Oops. Crunchy. Everything. Boom. Pepper. Pepper. Let it simmer for a little bit. Enjoy the sauce. Perfect. That's not science. Easy to make. You're gonna make it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's see. What you're looking is to have a good sauce. Not super spicy, nothing like that. Italiano. Someone finished one plate already, so I am obligated to make another dish. I was about to take a nap, watch a movie, but someone said, I want more. Okay, you want more? Are you sure? Okay, let's do it again. Ladies, when the mandilon is in the house, no problem. You got a chef in the house, I gotta cook again. I do it. I wanna watch my favorite cartoon. But mandilon is cooking. Somebody say, what was this thing I saw in Wisconsin Dells? It's better to be married to a chef or something like that? What was the sign? Whatever, when you are dating a chef, you know you always gonna be eating good. Or something like that. I am not a chef, I am just a simple cook. So, mistake kidding. Someone so special. So, as you see, it's getting a little cook. Just put a little bit of water. Just to make enough sauce. You don't know how to flip. Just use your spatula. Let me see, because the other ones were bolognese, vegan, and this one is cheese. That's what I say there. They're good. You don't have to spend a lot of time making raviolis from the scratch and measure it, the flour and all that. Very yours. Ladies and gentlemen, they are not paying for to make this promotion, but they are good. Oh yeah, better than restaurant. Ooh, they're good. These ones are different. Let's see the sauce. Oh, it's hot as a temperature, not spicy. Yeah, I think I'm missing a little bit black pepper. I'm getting blind. Okay, black pepper. I love black pepper. Okay, we're gonna add fresh basil from the store. One thing is to never put basil in the refrigerator. When it comes in bucket or whatever, because it will die so fast in the cold. Let me wash it a little bit. Okay. Simple. Oh, look at this. Fresh basil. If you don't love basil, don't do this dish. In Mexico, we don't use basil for dishes because only for remedies. That's what I heard the last time I was there. Like, who was a long time ago? But here in this country, United States, they got the idea from Italians. So somebody, I don't know, but that's good. Enjoy it. What?